I'm filming this on December 1st. Can you believe it? I'm filming this on December 1st. That blows my mind. Today we're going to be doing 100 plus Christmas wish list ideas. So it's around $0 to $50. It's nothing more than that. This is mainly targeted for teen girls, but of course this can go toward anyone else as well. The first category is self-care, makeup, kind of like glow up sort of thing. Any sort of face mask. It can be from Lush. It can be like a peel off, a jade roller, a gua sha. Those things are so common. Lip scrubs, bath bombs. You can get those from Lush. Hair rollers. Basically, my friend left this at my house. Let me show you guys. For anyone with bangs, literally, oh my gosh, hold on. I'm giving this back to my friend once I see her this weekend. Don't worry. Once she watches this, she'll have it back. Give them to people with bangs. Perfumes. If you give them a good scent, they'll be wearing it all throughout next year. Colognes, a yoga mat. This is random, but like, so you can stretch, you can do workouts on that. The 5-minute journal, you see that all over the Pinterest. Pretty sure it's like biodegradable. I think it's made out of recycled material. I'll have to put it on the screen for you guys. An eyelash curler, a brush cleaner. People are getting some new makeup brushes, but no brush cleaners. Any makeup gurus would actually love that if they don't have one already. And a bamboo hairbrush. These are underrated. I have one. Search up the benefits. There's so many. Just get a bamboo hairbrush for yourself, you know. I'm gonna leave this on for like the next category so that you guys can see the effect of this. I'm gonna regret doing that. Next category is room decor. This is so weird. That really just... Okay, I'm sorry. Small mirrors for your room, like heart Pinterest kind of mirrors. Oh yeah, those moon mirrors and those round mirrors. Whiteboards, like those big, like general whiteboards are so good for to-do lists. Whiteboard markers, cute magnets for those whiteboards, or for lockers. You can get like a cork board or like a pin board and pins that come with that. A fluffy blanket, those chunky knit blankets. Fake plants or real plants, depending on how committed you are to plants. LED lights, those really cool skylight things, an alarm clock, or those digital wall clock things. Those look so aesthetic. Desk organizers in drawers, like have like organizers for them. Table organizers or pencil holder kind of things. Okay, let me take this out. Did that even do anything? Kinda. If I left for longer, but I don't want to leave that in for the whole video. This is actually... I'm like puffed from this. Schoolish kind of category. Stationery. I have a friend who just wants stationery for Christmas. You can't go wrong with that. So calligraphy pens, those really cool fancy Muji pens. Pastel highlighters. Please guys. Please, I cannot express enough. Pastel highlighters are literally the best. But if they already have it, don't give it to them because they won't be able to use it up. Journals. It's like a plain journal with like lines. Bullet journal, depending on the kind of person they are. Oh, I just thought of another one that was on the list, like a sketchbook. Planners for 2022. This one is underrated. A calendar, 2022 calendar. Self-help or self-improvement books, things like Atomic Habit, devotions, or like journaling Bibles for any of my Christian Catholics out there. Basically Bibles with like a margin on the side and you can like write on the side of it and annotate it. A cute pencil case, a book stand. So this can be an aesthetic book stand or a useful book stand. I have one right here. I use this one for my locker. It's the best. You can just slip the books right in without having to like fidget with it, you know? Like, even though they're not cute, they're so functional. Function over beauty. I'm kidding. Flashcards or palm cards. I feel like this one's like another underrated thing. Now we're into clothes and accessories. The Doc Martens. I'm kidding. They're so expensive. But like, Doc Martens. Belts with like those holes in them, or like those heart chain belts. Like there's so many kinds of belts you can give. Sunglasses, rectangular. Blue light glasses because they protect you from the screen even though there's night shift, but blue light glasses because people like the aesthetic. But literally those glasses cloths, there's no point in getting glasses if you can't clean them. Trust me, I am short-sighted, I know. Any sort of oversized hoodie. Jewelry organizer, whether it's like one of those small box or jewelry boxes, or a jewelry tray, Pinterest clay trays. And the really good thing about this is that you can make it yourself out of your own polymer clay if you want it. And rings, make sure you know the size of the person's fingers before you give rings. Please. Necklace, because it's cute and meaningful. The necklace that I'm wearing is actually half of someone else's. It's a best friend necklace. It's so cheesy, but I love it. Like, if you look out for the sales, you can get good gold cross necklaces for like $30-something, which is I know that's so specific because that's what I have. Butterfly earrings. I wore this on my river cruise, which I vlogged. Ear cuffs, a watch. Everyone always asks me for the time. And I feel like if you give someone a really good watch, they'll wear it 24/7. Because someone gave me a really good watch. I'm not wearing it, I'm sorry. But like, I always wear it at school, even if it doesn't match my outfit. So if you get someone a good watch, they'll be wearing it. If they don't already have an Apple Watch, that is, yeah, don't give it if they already have an Apple Watch. Friendship bracelets, friendship necklace, friendship rings. I already showed you my friendship necklace. Scrunchies, claw clips, aesthetic makeup clips. When I think of aesthetic makeup clips, I just think of makeup Vogue routine and just, I think it's Vogue. I think it was Vogue, I don't remember. Towel headbands, like for skincare. You can give them to dudes as well. So get the pretty one. Tote bags. I have a tote bag like right there. They're useful to an extent because everything's like mucked up. Shoulder bags, a bucket hat. And next is the DIY/creative kind of category. Crochet kit would be so fun. A ukulele if they're musical. Beads, because you can make necklaces out of them. You can make phone chains. You can make a lot of things with beads. So beads, just beads, cute beads. Paint brushes, a paint canvas, a watercolor set. Acrylic paint is the next thing on my list, but a watercolor set would be very unique. Next we have the environment category. Reusable straws or metal straws. I have a really good company called the Care Company, and they give the best ones that can poke into like bubble tea, so it's not like difficult to like use. A reusable coffee cup, a reusable bubble tea cup. Again, the Care Company sells really good ones, but they also sell really good straws, so if you're looking for a brand, that's a really good brand. And mini cutlery packets. I feel like this would be so good because a lot of people still use plastic cutlery. So food. I actually don't have that much on food because I feel like you guys can kind of figure out the person's favorite food anyway. I just wrote ramen and chocolates. I don't know, it depends if they're a chocolate lover or not. Next is the digital category, and I know that devices are super expensive, but that's why I'm giving you cheaper options like a phone case. I spent 2 videos ago talking about the Pila phone case and how it's 100% biodegradable. It's on the expensive side though, so just look out for sales with that one. And an AirPod case, phone chains, they're aesthetic, and the best thing is that you can make them yourself because it's just beads. An aesthetic laptop keyboard. I want one. I'm kidding. Or not, I don't know. A laptop stand, a tripod, or specifically like an iPhone tripod because people be making TikToks these days. Final category is random stuff they didn't know they needed. It's a gift card for whatever store. Hand sanitizer, a metal water bottle. I gave one to a friend like 2 years ago and she loved it and she'd always be using it until she lost it. But she really loved it, I promise. A mug and a coaster, maybe to match with the mug, you know? That'd be cute, like a mug and coaster. Plushies, look at them. If you know your girl loves plushies, literally, she can never have enough. Just plushies. Or the octopus flippable plushie things. I don't know, this one I literally bought for myself. I have 2. A fidget cube, a pop-it, or a stress ball. Any of these like fidget toys, I still use my fidget cube till this day because I just really like to fidget. And I feel like pop-its are like becoming the more common kind of fidget toy, but any sort of fidget toy, I love fidget toys, honestly. Good smelling hand lotion, a phone stand when you're FaceTiming or something. I have a phone stand, but like I cannot be bothered showing it to you, so my editing stuff will. So I have my phone stand, but I don't have my phone, just... That's my phone, that's the stand. It works, I promise. A Disney Plus subscription, a Netflix subscription, or a Spotify premium subscription. Any sort of subscription. And scratch and sniff stickers. Guys, scratch and sniff stickers. Or like when you're making a card, if you give them like a chocolate scratch and sniff sticker, I swear it would just make it 100 times better. And the final one is love and care, and that's the cheapest one of them all, but I feel like that's the most valuable. And just remember guys that the holidays aren't just about giving or receiving, it's about spending time with the people around us. I'm gonna be cheesy. And spending time with God as well if you are Christian or Catholic, because you know it is the birth of Christ. And I hope you guys have a good holiday, an amazing December, and stay tuned for some really good videos this December. Binge watch my old videos. Mwah. Bye.